Now it's your turn to practice. I'm going to give you this one here. 1 over y equals 2x squared over 8 plus 3x to the power of 4 over 7, and you're told that x equals 2. So work out y. So press pause and have a go. So now it's just a matter of putting the 2 here into the x here and into the x here as well. So 2. Let me take the template down. 3 and then 7 here. So you've got a bubble here, and then you're going to square it, and here you've got x into here, and then you're going to power it to the 4. So you're going to put the 2 into the bubble here. Okay, so 2 goes into here, and 2 also goes into here. Now it's just a matter of solving this now. So this is 4. 2 squared is 4 times 2 again. Out for the 2 out here, that would be 8. So it's really 8 over 8. And this one here, what's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? So 2 to the power 4 is this up here. I'm just going to merge these two. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. Now it's basically 4 times 4, which is 16. So this bubble here is 16, and then we've got to times it by 3. Okay, so 3 times 16 to the power 7. So 3 times 16. So this would 3 times 6, 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3 plus the 1, so it's 4. 48. So that this becomes 8 over 8 plus 48. Sorry, over 7. Remember, this is 1 over y. Okay. Now, in order for us to use the reciprocal technique, it will only work when you have one fraction on the left hand side and but on the right hand side here we've got 2 fractions, so we have to merge these 2 together. So in order for us to merge, the 2 denominators have to be the same. So let's times top and bottom by the same number, times by 7, and over here we're going to times top and bottom by 8. Just so that the 2 denominators, this one here and this one here, are the same, and then we can merge 2 fractions. So 8 times 7, 56. Basically 8 over 8 is the same as 56 over 56, just written differently. So here the bottom would be 56. So now it's 48 times 8. So this times this would be 64, carry the 6. This times this would be 32, and then we carried the 6 earlier, so it would be 38. So it would be 384. So now 1 over y here, merge the 2 together. So this would be 56. This would be so 384 plus 56. 0, carry the 1, 9, 14, so carry the 1 here, so that would be 440 here. So now, simplify. Even number here. No, yeah, even number here. So we know we can simplify. So at the top it would be 220, but basically, because we know it's even at the top, we can divide top and bottom by 2. So the bottom one would be 25 plus 3 would be 28. Use your own technique here. Maybe you have to do something like this, but you use your own technique. Somehow get 56 divided by 2. Get a calculator if you're really stuck. It's still even, so we can divide it again. let's divide top and bottom by 2 again. If you're smart, then you might be able to divide by 4. You might be instead of dividing by 2 twice, you can somehow jump to 4. But and anyway, just do it this way for the time being. Even number. We know we can divide top and bottom by 2. So this one would be 110. This one would be 14. It's still even. So let's divide top and bottom by 2 here. This one will be 55. This one will be 7. Have a quick glance to see if 55 can divide by 7. It can't. So leave it as it is. Remember, we still got 1. We are still 1 over y. Now, can you see 1 fraction over here and 1 fraction over here? Now let's just take the reciprocal of both sides. So this would be y over 1, but we don't bother writing this. Y over 1 is just y. Okay. Take the reciprocal on the right hand side as well. So it will be 7 over 55. So that would be your answer. Okay. Let's give you this next one here. 3 over y equals 4a plus 3a squared over 3b, and a equals minus 2 and b equals 3. Okay, so let's see, 3 over y here. Let's start putting these into these over here. So let's do this one first. 4 times minus 2 would be minus 8. Okay, so minus 8 is that bubble there. Plus, remember we've got to do the power first because it's more important than the multiplying here. So a squared will be minus 2 times minus 2. That will be a positive 4. Positive 4 times 3 would be 12. So it's basically plus 12. And this bit here, we'll put a 3 into the b here. So it's 3 times 3, which is 9. So now minus 8 plus 12. So remember, 0 here, you start at minus 8. Let's go back to 8, and then we need to add 4. So the answer will be positive 4 over 9. Remember, this is this at the moment. So now y is at the bottom. So you could do this. You could times both sides by y. So that would be 4y over 9, and then times both sides by 9, 27, 4y, blah 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 blah. Let's use the reciprocal. Take the reciprocal both sides. So y is on top now. So this would be 9 over 4. Now times both sides by 3. So this would be here. Remember, when you times this fraction by 3, it gets multiplied to the top. So it would be 27 over 4. Okay. Have a quick glance to see if you can simplify this. You can't, so leave it as it is. So y equals this. When you're up here, yes, you could multiply both sides by y, but learn to take the reciprocal, because later on, when it gets complicated, taking the reciprocal is really useful. Okay.